how's it going, everyone? Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. And it's been a couple weeks since I made a video, and I just realized I came up on 11 years on a plant-based diet, so I figured now's a good time. So I'm gonna make a video today that's showing you some clips from my workout and what I'll be eating today. If you're new to my channel, I've been eating a plant-based diet for 11 years. I do practice intermittent fasting. I like to work out and exercise as well. So I'm gonna show you just one round of the workout that I'm doing right now. I do like to work out fasted, so it's about 11:30 in the morning. I've been fasted since about 8 p.m. last night. I have an eating window today of around 1 p.m., probably finish around 7 p.m. And it's a pretty simple workout today. I didn't have the time to go over to the gym, so I'm just doing a workout in my garage. Some basic moves. These are moves I do often, and full body. Super simple but effective, doesn't take very long. I'm gonna show you one round of my workout, and then I'll be doing a second round that I'm not gonna record. So just do 2 or 3 rounds of this is really all you need, a few days a week. I also been going to the gym here and there as well. And also like to run maybe 2 to 3 days a week, go on a little run. So kind of mix it up with the workouts, get some sunshine a lot of the times. During the warmer weather, I do my workouts at the park as well, so kind of mix things up there. And do a little warm up, so I'll show you the one round, and then I'll show you what I'll be eating today. But yeah, it's been about 11 years now. It was March, end of March, around 11 years ago when I switched to a plant-based diet. So here we go. So I will be wearing a weighted vest during this workout, and this is I got 26 pounds on this. So starting with pull-ups, my favorite. I got about 16 or 15. Take a little break, and I'll be doing my second move. Okay, I got my second favorite, weighted push-ups. Here we go. Come on, come on. Woo. Okay, got 30 of those. So with intensity and a little break, and show you the third and final move. All right, my third and final move of the workout, my third favorite move is jump squats. I got the weight still on here. So I'm gonna do this move, and then I'm gonna rest a little bit, and I'm gonna repeat that. So you can do that, 2 rounds, 3 rounds. I think if you go hard enough, you really only need 2 rounds, but you gotta go really hard. All right, so here we go. right. Doing one more round, and I'll show you what I'm eating today. At 1 p.m., I broke my fast with this personal-sized watermelon. It was nice and sweet and juicy and hit the spot just perfect. Then next up at 3 p.m., I made a smoothie. I had this bag of frozen berries, which was about 2.5 cups of frozen berries, and I had 4 bananas, nice and ripe, and I threw a splash of almond milk in there, threw it in the blender, made just over 1 liter. So great way to continue the day of eating. Then at 6 p.m., I had a big salad. It had greens, avocado, apple, cucumber, and a handful of walnuts. And then just after the salad, I had a bowl of this homemade vegetable soup. Ended up having 2 bowls of that. And I had 2 pieces of Dave's bread with peanut butter on it. Make sure you check out in the description box my recipe ebook. It's a plant-based recipe ebook, and it has my favorite recipes that I love eating on a regular basis. So check that out if you want to help support. And make sure you leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Let me know what you think. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye-bye.